Okay, we are over here on West Ridge Road, Elyria, Ohio. I got a call for a basement flooded. I mean flooded. So I came out and customer already had to clean out right here. But the water was all the way up. 6-inch clean out, clay. So this thing was full. Right now we can see it flowing. Okay. About 4 feet down. It required 550 feet of hose. There was a blockage right about here from this tree right here. We eliminated. And there's another blockage right here that I went ahead and cleared. But the main problem was they went with clay to PVC. Right about, I'll show you here in a second. When I started jetting it, there was a lot of water pouring out of here. Right here. Okay. So this is where they connected from clay to PVC and went out to the ditch. But they went from 6-inch clay to 4-inch PVC. So that was a no-no right there. So I had to actually come all the way to here where the ditch is. Right between these two trees is where this line goes, and it's a 4-inch perforated PVC line, schedule 22. So right here I got my other hose. Can't see it because we stirred it up. It's all muddy here. But I had to jet it from here out. These are the roots I was pulling out of there. But it took me about 3.5–4 hours to do this. But that's what we got. And we're gonna have to repair this. Put a 6-inch line all the way.